Let's go watering. Come on, Samuel. Look, it already has some water. You want to put some more? Good job. Put some more in yours. Okay, all right. What do you want to water? You want to water Mommy's flowers? Come help Mommy water her flowers. Come help Mommy. Come help Mommy. You hear the airplane? Come here, come here, come here. Okay. Can you water? Use your watering can. Like Mommy. Here. Use your watering can. Samuel, look like this. Samuel. Now let's use yours. Look. Can you use your watering can? What do you want to water? What do you want to water? Yeah? Come on, help Mommy water. Help Mommy water. Look, come on. Mommy's going to water these flowers. You want to help Mommy water this? Come here. Let's water this one. Let's water Mommy's spider plant. Come help me. Samuel, come help Mommy water. You're just playing. Come on. Look, look, look. Water. Shh, put some water. Gonna water these? Oh, thank you. Thank you. They need a little drink. Can we use this one? Good job. Good job.